Evelyn's first time riding a motorcycle by herself. You're doing good. Go a little faster. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, pull on the brake. Pull on the brake if you want to stop. Good job. All right, we're gonna try going again. You're doing great, baby. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna try to go that way, and you're gonna go between the cars and go down there, okay? All right. Get.
Can I just stop down there and then you can come? After I stop down there, I want to be done.
Well, we'll have you do this just a couple times for practice, okay? You're doing good. Okay, show me you can go. Woo, good job, baby. Good job, sweetie. Evelyn's first day, first time riding a dirt bike. She's on our 2007 Honda CRF50F and she's doing a great job. Good job, baby. The circles are getting tighter. Good job, baby.